Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. I brought in a watch strap for my Google Pixel watch. Silicone material, got the camouflage design going on, and I already have the adapters, the connectors, 20 millimeter adapters, 20 millimeter watch band, watch strap. Now the adapters came with this strap right here. I think I brought this in like a month ago, maybe 3 weeks, a month. But either way, works really good. And yeah, the adapters came with this strap and they are on the watch, ready to go. Silicone material, it feels really good. Got a little bit of a stretch there. You got a lot of notches going on there. Got the pins there. Metal aluminum buckle. That's nice. Glad that's not plastic. So what we're going to do is put it on my Google Pixel watch, and got a couple watch cases over there, and we'll see what those look like with the watch band. $10 over at Amazon. Very inexpensive. If you want to try out something new, if you don't have the adapters, you can purchase those over at Amazon as well. 20 millimeter is the size that you're looking for. Okay, so very simple, very easy. Of course, when you're on camera, it's not as simple and easy. But there we go. That looks good. Get the other guy here. I don't want to do it upside down. All right. Do a little bit of a yank on both sides. Make sure that the watch band doesn't come off. Nope. Nice, tight, and secure. I like that. All right. And that is what the watch band looks like with the Google Pixel watch. Man, those adapters worked really well. Yeah, that is really nice. Look at that. I'm digging it, man. That looks really sleek and sexy. Yeah, that looks good. There's your crown there. Got a mic there. Speaker, mic. Everything's on there really well. TPU material. The watch face protector there, that's all one piece, by the way. So you don't have to deal with two different pieces. It just gives a lot of protection, gives the watch a little extra girth, thickness. It's a small watch in comparison to my Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. The rugged case is from Subcase. They're actually going to send me their newest watch case for the Google Pixel watch, so it's going to add a lot more thickness to the Google Pixel watch, a lot of protection. That is super cool. All right, so let's try this one on. That's nice. Little wipe down. I don't know, man. Do you like this one better or this one with this watch strap? I like this one here.
Let me put it on really quick and see if I can do it on camera. It's always a challenge. Hey, yeah, I did it. Okay, and I like to wear my watches a little bit loose. I don't like them tight. Okay.
Yeah, that is nice. Look at that. Let me go into ultra wide mode here with my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Yeah, look at that. I am digging it. Yeah, again, it's a little loose. I don't have the biggest wrists, but you should have, if you have thicker, bigger wrists, got a lot of notches there to work with. Here's a close-up of the loops. Having two works a lot better than just one. That way The strap is nice and secure, and it's not going to flop out of just one, but the two keeping it down there. And with this watch case, everything works the way it's supposed to. No issues whatsoever with the touch response. Again, all the information you need, links down below in the description area for any of these products that I have shared with you in this video. And with that, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. And I'm going to take this off and end the video holding the watch like that, so you can just get a really good look at it. Yeah, that's nice. Feels really soft on my wrist too. That's what I like. I hate when something is around my wrist and it just irritates me. I didn't wear a watch for years since I was in high school, and I just didn't like anything around my wrist, and now I'm getting used to it. It just, having a watch helps so much, especially at work, when I can just look at the watch and get my notifications without having to reach for my phone. But I'm starting to know what I like around my wrist when it comes to watch bands. So this one feels really, really nice. All right, any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.